Dear friends, welcome to Majestic Tax and Accounting Services LLC, where we provide clear and reliable tax education based on official IRS guidance. This video is for general tax education purposes only, based on official IRS publications. It is not personalized tax advice. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic for business owners and self-employed individuals, that is business expenses. Many people hear that business expenses are deductible, but not everyone understands what the IRS actually allows. Understanding this rule can help you keep accurate records, avoid IRS issues, and properly report your income. According to the IRS, business expenses must meet a key standard. They must be ordinary and necessary. This guidance comes from IRS publication 334, Tax Guide for Small Businesses. Let us break down what those words mean. An ordinary expense is one that is common and accepted in your industry. For example, if you run a cleaning business, buying cleaning supplies would be considered ordinary. If you operate a consulting services business, expenses such as professional software or office supplies may be ordinary. A necessary expense means the expense is helpful and appropriate for your business. It does not have to be absolutely essential, but it must be related to operating your business. Common examples of business expenses. The IRS lists many examples of legitimate business expenses. Some common categories include office supplies, business insurance, advertising and marketing, professional services such as legal or accounting fees, business travel, business equipment, office rent, internet and phone used for business, and certain vehicle expenses used for business purposes. For self-employed individuals reporting income on Schedule C, these expenses help determine the net profit of the business. Your net profit is the amount that is subject to income tax and self-employment tax. That is why accurate expenses tracking is so important. One of the most important rules the IRS emphasizes is this: personal expenses are not deductible as business expenses. I repeat, personal expenses are not deductible as business expenses. For example, personal groceries, personal clothing, family vacations, or personal household expenses. These are not business deductions. However, some expenses may be partially business and partially personal. In those situations, the IRS generally allows only the business portion to be deducted. For example, if you use your phone 50% for business and 50% personally, you may only deduct the business portion. This is why good record keeping matters. The IRS recommends keeping receipts, invoices, and documentation to support your expenses. Proper classification of expenses is very important. Incorrect reporting can lead to IRS notices, delay in processing, or adjustments to your return. That is why business often keep organized records such as expense logs, accounting software reports, mileage records, and receipts. Good records help demonstrate that your expenses were ordinary, necessary, and business related. This is not a personalized tax advice, and every taxpayer situation may be different. For guidance specific to your circumstances, you should consult a qualified tax professional. Understanding IRS rules about business expenses can make a big difference in accurate tax reporting. Whether you are self-employed, running a small business, or earning income from a side hustle, keeping proper records and understanding allowable deductions is essential. If you have questions about your tax situation or want help preparing your tax return accurately and professionally, please contact Majestic Tax and Accounting Services LLC on the number shown on your screen and the email ID shown on your screen. We assist individuals, self-employed professionals, and small businesses with tax preparation and compliance. You can contact us to schedule a consultation or get assistance with your return. Dear friends, if you are watching this video without subscribing, please click the subscription button and move the bell icon to all so that you will get more videos when we publish them. And I have put a link or a playlist in your description so that you can watch the previous videos which were published. Please like this video and share it to your friends and your acquaintances so they can learn reliable tax information based on official IRS guidance. Thank you for watching. Your friend Renji Matthew signing off, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day ahead.